To make pork rinds, start with at least 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms of fresh pork skin. Slice the skin away from the fat and meat with a sharp kitchen knife. Then cut the skin into bite-sized pieces. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius. Lay out the pieces of skin on a baking sheet, skin side down. Bake the skins for about 3 hours or until they're dry and brittle. Once they're dry, fill a stainless steel frying pan 1/3 of the way full with lard or frying oil. Heat the oil to 385 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 196 to 204 degrees Celsius. Drop the pieces of pork in 3 or 4 at a time and let them fry for 30 to 60 seconds or until they get puffy and start to float. Remove the rinds with a slotted spoon and place them on a dish lined with paper towels to soak up the excess oil. Season them to taste and serve them while they're still warm. Store any leftover rinds in a sealed container at room temperature for up to 1 week.